Oh man. Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. As I'm driving, I just want to share with you some historic news about EV adoption in Hong Kong. The local transport department has recently released figures about EVs, and in 2022, 1 in every 2 new private cars in Hong Kong were EVs. So that's massive. Over 50% of new cars that were bought in Hong Kong are EVs. And that's the reason why we are seeing so many EVs here in Hong Kong. Admittedly, the majority of the EVs are Teslas, and again, they are mainly Model Ys. But I have seen a diversity of new EVs on Hong Kong roads, and that's pretty amazing. So I will post some figures on the video just to let you have a look at our EV adoption figures in Hong Kong and how we are gearing up to electrifying the transport system here in Hong Kong. I will be posting more videos, and not just about private cars, but also about other types of electrification of transport, such as electric buses, the potential for electric taxis, also e-ferries. So Hong Kong is trying to electrify the transport and reduce their carbon emissions, which is a great thing in Hong Kong. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and stay safe. Oh, lime green. Model Ys there as well. Look.